I would like to explain about real-time clock module wake-up timer function. What is the wake-up timer function? It is a function that repeatedly outputs an interrupt signal at a specified fixed time interval. It can be used for regular activation and operation timing of CPU and peripheral devices. This feature is suitable for regular wake-up, sleep solutions. The wake-up timer interrupt function generates an interrupt event periodically. At any fixed cycle set between 244.14 microseconds and 31.9 years. This function can stop at one time and is available as an accumulative timer. After the interrupt occurs, the /in status is automatically cleared. As an example application: watchdog timer, maintenance notice, regular system monitoring, etc. The real-time clock module wake-up timer function enables MCU interval operation and provides an effective measure for current reduction in any system. This figures show int output, system operating current, event timing according to the set cycle. System interval operation reduces system current consumption. How to work for wake-up timer function. I would like to explain application example. That is periodic measurement. This page shows wake-up timer setting. MCU send the interrupt cycle setting command to real-time clock module. Interval of interrupt output can be set 244 microseconds to 32 years by source clock and counter. This part current consumption is orange color line. After wake-up setting completed, MCU goes to halt or sleep mode. Real-time clock module continue to operate time count and countdown by low current consumption. Orange color line shows current consumption in this part. The set time comes, event occurs, real-time clock module send interrupt output to MCU. This is like a wake-up call. Interrupt output can auto-release. In case RX8111CE, you can set TRTN to 122 micro or 7.813 millisecond. MCU wake up and goes to normal mode. It measures the data at 1 per set cycle. After it finished the measurement, MCU goes to halt or sleep mode. Therefore current consumption decrease. MCU takes a rest until the next interrupt time. However, real-time clock module continue to operate time count and countdown by low current consumption. As above. The real-time clock module wake-up timer function enables MCU interval operation and provides an effective measure for current reduction in any system. That's all. Thank you for your attention.